Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by removing the frame and old mesh. Don't delay. Measure the opening, then cut new mesh 2-3 cm larger than the frame so you have working overlap. Use the screwdriver to pop the spline out and peel the damaged mesh away. Keep the frame clean of debris. Once the old material is off, inspect the groove for cracks or paint that could impede spline seating. Make sure to lay the new mesh flat and aligned before moving into the next step. You position the mesh and secure one side with tape or clamps. This prevents shifting. Start at midpoint and press the spline into the groove using the spline tool, working outward. Apply steady, even tension as you go so the mesh sits flat without puckers. Rotate to opposite sides, pulling gently to maintain tension, and then finish the remaining edges. Once all spline is seated, trim the surplus mesh about 1 to 2 millimeters from the spline, so the edge won't fray and the seal stays tight. You reinstall the frame and confirm the screen sits evenly and seals at every corner. Adjust as needed before tightening. If you notice wrinkles, don't panic. Remove the spline just where the wrinkle is, retention the mesh by pulling toward the nearest secured edge, and reseat the spline. Make sure the spline is undamaged. Replace it if it compresses irregularly. Finally, test airflow and visibility if insects still enter. Recheck groove continuity and frame flatness as the single most common remaining issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.